Throughout the pandemic, our aim has always been to restrict the spread of COVID-19 as much as possible, and regular rapid testing can help with this. We set up our first lateral flow test centre at our Shute End office in December, and have since expanded our programme to reach even more people. In fact, we've opened up another test centre at the Microsoft campus in Thames Valley Park so we can offer more tests and help keep our communities protected. We are currently offering rapid tests to key workers who live or work in the Wokingham Borough and who are leaving their home regularly to go to work and who do not have any symptoms. It's recommended that you get tested twice a week. Around 1 in 3 people who have COVID don't have any symptoms and can spread it without even knowing it. By getting a free rapid test, you can help to keep your family and your workmates safe. The process is really simple. Book your 15-minute test slot on our website, turn up on the day with your ID, and we'll direct you to a sample collection booth to self-swab and do your test. Every booth is clean between tests and social distancing measures are in place to keep everyone safe. Test results are given by text and email, usually within 45 minutes after your test. All the information you need is on our website, so please book yourself in to get tested. But remember, this is for people who don't have symptoms. If you have COVID symptoms, please go to the government website and book your tests there.